Hello, my name is Jason Perkins, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation law, and I created this series in order to provide people with helpful information about the rules and benefits available to them under it. Today I want to talk to you about nurse case managers, what they are, and why insurance companies hire them. Now, there's a good chance, especially if your injuries occurred more recently, that you may have a nurse case manager assigned to your case. The reason that may have happened is because the rules of workers' compensation in Georgia on when insurance companies could hire nurse case managers changed within the last couple of years. It used to be the case that a nurse case manager was not hired on your case unless both you and the insurance company agreed to it, or a special type of nurse case manager called a catastrophic supplier was assigned your case if your case was designated for what's called a catastrophic designation. Now, I'm not going to talk about catastrophic suppliers here today. I'm just talking about nurse case managers in non-catastrophic cases. So when that rule changed a couple of years ago, in non-catastrophic cases, insurance companies can now appoint nurse case managers without having to have your agreement. That basically means that the insurance company gets to decide whether there's a nurse case manager in your case or not. So when they appoint a nurse case manager, they may often think that it's to their advantage to do so, that they may get some benefit from doing it. And insurance companies are businesses, and generally they're in business to make money. And when you have a workers' compensation injury, they're having to pay benefits to you. So they would generally like to pay as little as possible out because it costs them money whenever they're paying you weekly checks or whenever they're paying for medical treatment that you need with a doctor after an injury. So often I tend to think that when insurance companies hire nurse case managers, it's to try to reduce the amount that they may have to pay out in workers' compensation benefits on your case. Now, a nurse case manager does have specific rules and guidelines that they're supposed to follow in Georgia workers' compensation cases. They're supposed to try to help you get the medical treatment that you need and help you to return to work after your injury. So you need to be sure that if a nurse case manager is appointed in your case, that they follow all those rules. Because again, the law has changed now, and you're no longer able to just say that you don't want a nurse case manager in your case anymore. The insurance company can have one in your case without your consent on having that nurse case manager work on your case. I hope you found this information about nurse case managers helpful. If you have, please let me know by liking this video or by giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, they're all available on our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to that channel to be notified of future videos if you'd like as they come out. If you've got some specific questions about the particular facts of your case, or just want more information about Georgia Workers' Compensation law, I'd be happy to discuss that with you. The best way to do that is normally through a free consultation with me. There are two easy ways that you can set one of those up. The first is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and you can complete and submit the consultation request form available there, and a member of our workers' compensation team will be happy to set one up for you. Or the second is just by calling our office directly, the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and someone from our office will speak with you and get a consultation scheduled. Thanks again for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.